Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to use Digit's bill negotiation service. Digit offers a built-in bill negotiation feature to help you save money on recurring expenses like cable, internet, and phone bill. Here's exactly how you can use this service efficiently. Now, first, what does it do? Digit partners with negotiation services like BillShark to lower your monthly bills on your behalf. They contact your service providers, negotiate better rates, and even cancel unwanted subscriptions if needed. Now, here's a step-by-step guide on how to use it. First, open the Digit app. So launch the app and log into your account using your credentials. Once you're in, go to the settings or choose menu. So just look for an option labeled lower my bill or bill negotiation. This may also appear on the extra, depending of course on the app version. Next, start a negotiation request. You just go ahead and tap start negotiation and choose the type of bill that you would like to lower. Could be cable, internet, phone, or satellite radio. Next, upload your bill. You're going to be asked to upload a recent bill either by taking a photo or by uploading a PDF. So make sure it includes your name, account number, and service plan. Next, provide account access information if needed. Now, some services may request limited access credentials to negotiate on your behalf. This is securely stored and only used for the negotiation process. Next, submit your request. Once uploaded and confirmed, Digit's negotiation team will begin working with your provider. And you can, of course, track the progress. You can monitor the negotiation status within the app. It may take a few days to a few weeks, depending, of course, on the provider. And once that's done, you can just review the results. Now, if successful, you're going to get a notification showing the amount saved and, of course, the new billing rates. Now, for fees and conditions, there are a couple of things to note. Success-based fees. Typically, Digit charges a percentage that could be 30 or 40% of what they have saved you. So that's billed from your savings. So if you saved $1,000, they may take away 300 to 400. Now, there's also no savings, no fees. If they don't lower your bills, you don't pay anything. And you can, of course, cancel anytime. You can opt out of negotiation process at any time before the agreement is finalized. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss another update in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.